Ice fishing can lead to some hilarious encounters on frozen lakes. Picture this: an Alaskan fisherman, bundled up against the biting cold, drills a hole in the ice, determined to catch that elusive fish. Suddenly, a booming voice cuts through the silence, declaring, "You will find no fish there." Confused yet intrigued, the fisherman presses on, only to hear the voice again, insisting, "You will find no fish under the ice." Finally, he looks up and shouts, "Is that you, God?" The voice replies with a chuckle, "No, I'm the manager of this ice rink." This funny twist highlights the unexpected moments that make ice fishing an adventure full of laughter and surprises.